currently there is a typhoon called Typhoon Ampil hitting Tokyo and the east side of Japan. Right now it's August 16th. It's Friday, 7:30 local time. And I just so happened to be in Tokyo this morning. And when I checked my location or like the navigation, it showed the typhoon as well and where the typhoon was projected to hit. Sure enough, my location was in that area. According to the Japan Times, it says here, Typhoon Ampil was lashing eastern Japan Friday as a very strong storm, on par with the Category 2 hurricane, threatening to bring damaging winds and torrential rain to a wide area. Level 4 evacuation orders were issued, as well as Level 3 advisories. They also say here that the storm is referred to as Typhoon number 7. It already has affected transportation. The bullet train was closed. There was a train I was supposed to take to come over here to Hakone, and that train was closed. Thankfully, there's still local trains that are still operating, and hundreds of flights have been canceled. As far as like the effects being here in Japan as the typhoon is happening right now, it's pretty much heavy rain, yeah, but nothing too crazy. At least I'm further out now from Tokyo where it's hitting on the eastern coast. Heavy rain and then heavy winds. A little bit of the buildings shaking, but nothing too crazy. I'll read you this from the article. The way I like to describe a storm that is skirting the coast like this is, imagine you are standing on the side of a highway as semi-trucks are flying by at over 100 kilometers per hour. You are more or less safe as long as a truck stays on the road. But if it changes course even just a little bit toward the curb where you are standing, it can make all the difference in those impacts. That was from the New York Times. So that was from the Japan Times. Yeah, with all that being said, I made the executive decision to leave Tokyo to go more west in Japan and go to Hakone. Just decided to come here and enjoy a hostel with an onsen inside it as the typhoon is going on outside. Right now it's still going on. I still can hear the winds banging on the windows. I'm okay. I haven't really heard anything too crazy yet. So far everything is good.
東三階橋
I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's currently raining. I was able to avoid Tokyo. I got here to Hakone, which is about an hour and a half out. You can see up there, it's very cloudy. There is a typhoon going on, and I'm not sure how far inland it's going to hit. But finally made it over here to my hostel, and yeah, it's funny because I got an email saying that the plumbing was down here at the hostel, so you can't use the bathrooms. I got another email saying, from trip.com where I booked my flight, there's a, typhoon going on right now, so be safe, this and that. And even in the anime I was watching on the train station, coming here, in that anime there was a typhoon going on. So it's everywhere. I can't avoid it. Some good stuff. I kid you not, everywhere you go to eat here in Japan is delicious. It's oishi. And for an affordable price. Right now I just had some udon soup, udon noodles with fried vegetables, and oolong tea. And oolong tea came out in a glass bottle. For a second I thought it was beer, or at least it was the same brand. But no, it was definitely tea, and it was delicious. So again, everything here is to die for. Japan is like the place to be. Here for another week thanks to this typhoon. Thank you. Japan wants me to stay. They don't have to try too hard. I'm here, you know, I'm sold already. When can I move here? That's the only question. How can I? That's it. But yeah, man, like this, can you guys see the background there? That is amazing. That is crazy. That's yabai. You know, that's cool. Here in Hakone, I'm about to go to my hostel, and they have onsens there. There's another onsen here in Hakone, and it's called Tenzen Onsen. Best place I've ever been to in my life. That spot does wonders to your body. All the different temperatures. I didn't know they have different temperatures for different like different tubs for different temperatures. And there's one that's cold afterwards, so you finish off in that one. But it was amazing. And you're in this area that looks just majestic. It's crazy. Yeah, so I definitely highly recommend Hakone for you guys to come visit.